What is up, guys? Norse Digital Assets coming at you with another video. This video, we're going to talk about a number of things. We're going to talk about what is in my trading bag right now. What am I trading? How am I doing it? What am I doing with my side bags that are not my main holding bags? We're going to take a look at Bitcoin. We're going to take a look at a number of things. So click subscribe, click like on this video before you watch it, because you know it's going to be good anyways. Let's take a look, first and foremost, because it controls the market. Let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick on the 4-hourly. So we've got a number of things going on. This is the 4-hourly. What's going on lately with Bitcoin? Well, it looks like a falling wedge, which is actually a bullish pattern. So here, and we are here. So we basically have a falling wedge pattern where you're stuck in this wedge and you continue to fall until you break the trend line. So when you break the trend line, what you want to do is I'm going to drop a line right here. Reason I drop that line right there is you have this here as resistance. You had it as resistance on this wick here. You had it as resistance here on these couple. You've had it as a little bit of support, but you've had it as resistance here. It's an important level, basically, is what I'm trying to explain here. So that's 63,000. You could go a little lower and go, 62.8. But in that area, right in there, okay? So what you want to do is you want to break this trend line here and get above it, find support, and when you do that, you have a very good chance of making a new all-time high with Bitcoin. So that's sort of what Bitcoin's doing. It does control the market. It runs the market here. It looks like there's a number of patterns at play here. It was also let's see here. Let's drop this in right here. Let's drop this in right there. So you can see, when you have these falling wedge patterns, you fall through. You need to break out of that trend line, and then you start to use it as support. You do the EMAs. You come here, you use it as perfect support here. You come up and you make a little run. You came above that trend line there. But you can see you kind of just bounce back and forth until you can break out of it there. So that's sort of what we have going on with Bitcoin right now. We're looking to find some support. Looks like this level right here is pretty supportive. Maybe that'll be the support, 59.9. We'll see. You have some support through here, some support through here, some support through here. You could go a little lower on wicks, but as far as candle bodies, you have some support through here, definitely, and here. So maybe it's 59.9, where you get that bounce off 59.9, break that trend line, come up, find that support above that 62.8, and then head to all-time highs. So that's what we got going on with Bitcoin. Now, what is in my trading bag right now? So I have 85% of my portfolio is basically longer-term holds that are 2 to 6 month holds to ride through the bull run and sell them closer towards the top. The other 15% of my portfolio I'll run in Gate.io, which is an exchange, or KuCoin, which is an exchange also. You can convert to Tether, etc. So in my trading bag right now, and how I run it, is XCure, Curate, CRV, Curve, Engine Coin, Harmony One, and Veracity. I believe that all 5 of these coins have a similar shot at going on a run. We'll take a look at a couple of those real quick, and I'll tell you what I usually do here with my trading bags. So here is Curate, XCure. So what we have going on right here is, let's go to the daily and let us reset the chart. So basically we have what I've drawn out here, we have this cup and handle, and we have a larger cup and handle. And I've got 2 price targets from it. From the larger cup and handle on Curate, and I've shown this before, I believe, in a video, the technical target, when you find support up here, the technical target is up here, which is $8.80. When currently right now it's at $4.52. So nearly a double of your money. So what I typically do with my trading bags is I look to enter projects like Curate with smaller market caps that have nice charts, that have a possibility of a run where you double your money. If I come close to doubling my money, or I do double at 100%, which I just did with Sandbox, especially the other day, when I get to that double your money point, I sell the bag. Now, it could keep going up or it could go down. You get both. The other day, one of the coins that doubled for me, which is 1,000 turning into $2,000 or 10,000 into 20. Sometimes it takes a few days to double it. Sometimes it takes a couple weeks. Sometimes it takes a couple months. At any rate, if you keep doubling your money, it adds up very quickly. You go 2,000, 4,000, 2,000, 4,000, 8,000, 16,000, 32,000, 64,000, 128,000, 256,000. If you can continue to do that with your trading bags without getting burned bad on a coin, which is why I try to do risk management with my coins. But the thing is that sometimes these coins, they double. I sell them in my trading bags because a lot of the time it'll go right back to the price it was just at to find support. Sometimes the price keeps running up. Sometimes the price goes right back to where it was and you lose those profits because they were unrealized profits until you actually sell their unrealized profits. So I realize my profits on my trading bags. I take profits on them or I sell the whole position, wait for it to correct back down like it always does, and then I can re-enter the position and get even larger quantity of the coin, or I can just take my profits when they double and enter into another coin that hasn't made a run yet. So that's sort of how I'm running the trading bag for anyone who is interested in doing part of your portfolio as a trading bag. So that is what I'm doing with Q rate. I'm looking for Q rate to come up, find support above this line. This line, it's been really struggling with $4.75. It made some wicks above it into the 480, 490 range over the last, few days. It's been bouncing around. I've been watching it. And we want to find support up there, complete this larger cup and handle, and about double our money on XCure. It has a small market cap, like 30-some million, I believe. So it doesn't take, the smaller the market cap, the less money it takes to make the project move and move up. And XCure Curate is associated with NFTs, just waiting for some more buzz around Curate and waiting for it to complete this handle and make a move and waiting to get a little deeper into November. It's just a patience game right now. It's just waiting, waiting, waiting. If you continue to double your money, yes, it adds up very quickly. It does take some skill, and you have to be aware of the psychology of the market where you aren't FOMOing into coins and just chasing them around. You got to be smart about the coins. Also, I like the chart, I like the market cap size, and I like what the project is about. So I think it's a good chance to come close to doubling that bag, doubling the amount of money in the bag, and getting out of it and de-risking. Now, what else do I have? CRV. Credible Crypto just released a 1-hour video on this. I've watched some of the video. I haven't watched the whole video. CRV right now, to me, at $4, is not financial advice, but it's a decent point to buy. It may come lower. Yes, it depends. Again, how greedy do you want to be? I don't know if that's the best word for it, but how long do you want to wait to enter the position? We are currently sitting on the 20 EMA on the daily. Now, I will note that the 20 EMA is pretty flat now because it took so long to come back down to it that it flattened out the 20. Will we get curvature back up? Will it curve down a little and then curve up? I don't know. We can go to the 4-hourly, but curve overall, Credible Crypto explains it for an hour. A lot of this coin is locked up. Credible Crypto puts curve up there with HBAR and XRP in his mind, and those are his favorite coins. So that says something about curve and why I bought into curve and why I have some curve. Again, could it run to $8 when I have a large position in curve? Yes, it could. It could run to $8 and maybe I'll sell when it hits $8. Maybe I'll ride it a little longer. But at any rate, if you continue to double your money, 2,000, 4,000, 8,000, 16,000, 32,000, 64,000, you get the point. It keeps going up. You just have to be smart about it. And if you're not that experienced, I probably wouldn't recommend doing a whole lot of any trading at all with this sort of thing. But like I said, these are the coins that I'm in right now. I'm also in Engine coin. Let's take a look at that one. So right now, so Engine looks like, so I had drawn this out already. Looks like there was a bull flag. It looks like right now you have this green candle right here coming out of that bull flag with a technical target up here of $4.35. It may come back into this pattern, find a little more support before moving up. We'll have to wait and see. It's not a huge market cap. It's not that large, so it could make those movements. And we'll just have to wait and see. These are just my trading bags that are a little bit shorter term. Again, my CKB, my VeChain, my Cardano, my HBAR, my Algorand, my Filecoin, my Ethereum Classic, my, you know, VeChain, Cardano, whatever I haven't named, all those coins that I have, those are, including DAG and API 3 that's staked, those are my longer term bags that I'm holding through this bull run, through the ups and downs, and they're gradually going up. So again, Engine's another one of my trading bags. And I want to look at VRA because I haven't looked at that. I don't know if that chart's looking as amazing as it was. Okay, it's looking pretty good. So right now, again, this is sort of like the Ethereum chart, just a little bit like the Ethereum chart here, in the way that you're going up the stairs right now, and you come back to the 20 EMA to find support to move up, and then you come back to it, and so that would create another stair. That's Veracity, a smaller cap coin at 7 cents right now. Smaller cap coin on the 20 EMA could be an entry point for Veracity if you're interested. This one could explode, but again, we don't know when coins are going to explode, when they are and when they aren't. CKB will just explode out of nowhere. SHIB will be dead for months and explode out of nowhere. Dogecoin will be dead for weeks or months and just start a run. I mean, there is a little bit of randomness to some of this as far as when they run and when coins run and when other coins run, and the timing to be able to say, well, this coin's going to run before this coin, then this coin's going to run up, then this coin's going to be up. I mean, that's the $1 million question. That's pretty hard to do, but at any rate, you can go off the charts. You're on the 20 EMA, which is a level of support. It is a little flat, but that is a level of support, possible entry point. Another possible entry point for Veracity. Let's go to the 4 hourly. Let's see here. We may come a little lower because we have the 20 coming over the 55 right now. Will these lines will it get a little bit of momentum because Bitcoin, you know, Bitcoin breaks that trend line I was talking about and starts to move up and starts to carry some other coins in the market with it? Just have to wait and see. Will these lines ride together and then the 20 EMA, the green line, wins that battle and comes up, or will we fall lower? It looks like through here, though, that's a pretty good support area at 6.9 cents, 0.69. And so, yeah, you can see some support in here, some support in here, some support through here on the 4 hourly. Below that looks to be like there's an area of interest right there. That would be, depending, we don't know if we'll see that again. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. If you do see 6.4 cents, you could grab Veracity at 6.4 cents. Not financial advice, but I would expect at this timing of the market in November and everything else to bounce off 6.4 cents and start that movement up. Get the 20 EMA, the green line, to cross back over the red when that happens and get that upward momentum movement. The stock RSI looks like it's heading down. It might blow out here below the blue band and move up also. So yeah, a lot going on. So basically those are my trading bags. That's how I'm doing it. Guys, keep in mind there's over 13,000 cryptos. If you just have, 10 or 15 cryptos, 20 cryptos, there's like 400 or 500 more serious cryptos. What are the odds out of your 10 or 20 different cryptos you have that on any given day that you have one of them that is running up out of 400 or 500 that are somewhat serious? The top 100 are the most serious coins. But yeah, I mean, you can't chase coins around. You have to keep in mind that the odds are is there's always going to be coins that are running up on different days, and you don't have those coins. Keep that in mind. You have trading bags versus holding bags, which I've covered in this video. You can also take profits and not worry that much about a coin. You get out of it and it continues to run up. Like that happened with me in Sand, but I doubled my money in Sandbox at the end of the day. So, I took profits. Sometimes hindsight's 20/20. You don't know that it was going to keep going up, and you took profits and you made good money in it. That's why I have both. I have trading bags and I have longer term holding bags. So click subscribe below if you are serious about crypto. Click subscribe below if you're serious about any of these trading bags. Click subscribe if you want to ride with this channel. And later in this bull run, we will be watching for every sign possible to de-risk on our positions, de-risk, take some of our profits that we've made and not ride the wave all the way back down and come up empty-handed. There are major players and even talented people in this space that will end up riding back down, holding their bags, and losing a lot of their profits. It's not as easy as you think. It's not always that easy, guys. This is The market is simple, yet very complicated. So that's the crypto space. A lot of volatility and a lot of signs and a lot of watching the charts. So we're going to continue to cover everything on this channel. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Click subscribe below. If you can see my logo down here in the bottom right-hand corner, click it, or click subscribe below like normal. Click like for the algorithm. And that'll be it for this video. I'm going to keep putting out videos today. So we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.